Okay, my name is Chafas Nanto. This is my final project for Art 205. This is my final assignment or project for Art 205 Digital Media Section 3. In this video, I'll be explaining two pieces important topic in CSS, and one is the basis of CSS, and the other is the boss model. I will give two concepts. I will give two main concepts of this CSS pieces and demonstrate how they work, the real coding. I will give that example, and I will show some coding in some pieces of CSS how it works. Firstly, that will begin with our work. So within CSS we get the selector element, we get the selector tag. It is use target HTML to apply style to the content. So I will show some work in basic CSS. So come to our work. I have done my work in with HTML element with HTML. So what I need to do is we just to do the basic CSS and see how it take first. So we want to make our paragraph. We want to give color to all our paragraph within this HTML element. So come to our CSS, we open paragraph, open paragraph, put colors, choose color, any color you want to choose that will attach to your paragraph. You can choose. So I choose the color, put aqua color, I press save. I come on our web page. You see all our paragraph within this web page has changed into this aqua color. So that will go back. We don't want for all our work, all this paragraph to be in this particular color. We want to specify which one of the paragraph should have their own color. So in doing this is where class come in or selector come in. Now that will go to class. So in using class, you have to specify which one of the paragraph you are selecting. So come to our paragraph, put class here, CSS class, we'll put p file, we'll save. So come back down to our CSS work, we'll come back down, we'll come press enter, we'll put that in selecting your class, or when you put that, put p file, we'll put color, 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 we choose color, then we'll choose red, put red and C, RED, red. So go red, it will save, and go to our browser and go to our web page and see the particular paragraph has changed to red. So you can use the example to attach any of your choice. Each paragraph, you can just choose your class you want to use the paragraph in, and you can put in your class and select from your HTML work and attach which one of the color you want to put. You can use all the paragraph, give it different color will be a work for you. You can also use this. You can also use this for font size, to change the font size, everything. So now, I think this is how you do some pieces of CSS. I will go to the boss module. In the boss module, let me give some information on the boss module. We'll come down here, come down. We say the boss module is fundamental concept in CSS. And we say previously I said CSS stands for cascading style sheet, and that is strategy or element on a web page. So come down, we gotta know the type of module. We get a margin. Margin is the auto module of the boss module. It is used to create space around an element. We also have The padding is the space between the content of an element and its polar. We also have we also have within the padding we also have polar. Polar is the line that surrounds the element. It can be set using the polar property in the CSS. We get the value, we get four type of polars. We get the top, we get the right, we get the bottom, we get the left. They have a value for polar. So therefore which one you want to use. So that will do small work within the molar. So we'll come back down here. We come back down, we say H1. H1. We are working in pulse molar now. We are working in pulse molar now. Then we are working in pulse molar now to show some work within the pulse molar. So we'll come out, we say polar PO. Say polar go back up PODER polar the post solid SO, because you can level use when you choose a post solid. Then I come back down. I want to add another something like polar weight PODER, the polar weight, polar weight. Okay, polar weight. I can make it 4 PX. Make it 4. I can also add color to the polar. So immediately I save, then I come to my work, I publish it. You see, I already taking effect. You see, I already taking effect. This is how we use our polar. This polar, matching and padding, everything work as the same. So within this, we can also use padding. So we can do PADD ing padding left. Padding left should be 15. Here put 25. So we save. We come to our see the padding of this web page has changed. We come to the machine. Yeah, 5 more minutes. Come to the machine. Enter machine. So machine is the space around the box. We say machine is the space around the box. So the machine top left. I will use the left. Top left. We put 30. Yes. So we save. We come to our browser. We run it. You see, I already just okay. If I want increase the number, if I want increase the number on the machine, I will increase the number and see how far it will go. I will increase the number to 300 PS. 300 PS. Press save. We'll come out to our browser. You see what it comes. This is how we do a padding or machine rather. This is how we do a machine. You see? So the machine will give the space around the box. Give the space around the box. So this is how we do a machine. So let me do a quick overview. So I take my basic CSS, where I give each paragraph a color, and you can choose which one of the color you want to specify, which one of the paragraph or which one of the color you want to use. I take my polar and make sure my polar was done. So when you see my work on my website, you see everything is there. My color, each color can entitle or each color of this work. So thank you for watching. So I'm going to do a summary on the lesson. So I'll come back down and see these are the definition of polar. I already gave it. So I just do a summary. I also gave definition of padding, gave definition of machine. I gave all the work within the coding. So I find out the box element. I come back to the property value. I also gave selector. I also new class. So I also gave these are also give most of the basic of CSS.